Our dog Rocky hiding under the blanket. We know he's wagging his tail because of the end of the blanket. Rocky?
Rocky. Rocky. His tail.
Oh yeah, there it is.
It's moving a little.
Rocky?
Rocky. See?
Yeah.
His tail is so cute, and
Hey, Rocky, Rocky.
you can see his nose and eye.
Hey, Rocky, Rocky. Uh-oh, it fell in. Uh-oh. What are you doing, Rocky? You just relaxing, buddy?
He's like, yeah. Boop. Ow.
Rocky. Uh-oh, here he goes. He's like, okay. We love you, Rock Rock. We love you, Rock Rock.